Okay, our next lesson. This time we're going to measure how to measure curved line distance. And again, we're going to use a standard 1/50,000 MGRS map, scrap paper, and something to write with. We normally want to use a pencil because it's accuracy, but for demonstration purposes, we're just going to use a dark pen here. So we're going to measure. Let's measure the distance between this six-way intersection again, and then I'm just going to follow this curved road coming down to this intersection right here. So that's going to be our end point. And it's the same process as a straight line. We're just going to deviate a little more often off the line here. So we're going to draw our start point. So we're going to line up our scrap paper with the start point, and we're going to follow that road. And we're measuring the distance of this road. Anywhere where that road deviates from the straight line of the straight edge, we make a tick mark. We make that tick mark on both the map and on our scrap paper. And then we're going to realign our scrap paper using this tick mark and the tick mark on the map as our next index line. And we're just going to follow it again until those two deviate again. And it sort of starts to go off the line right there. So then we have a tick mark on the paper and we have a tick mark on the map. We're just going to realign those two tick marks until they deviate again. And on a really curvy road, you have to do this often. This road's not too curvy. We're just lining up that tick mark where it deviates once more right there. You see, and then we line it up again. And here it starts to straighten out a little bit so we can get a little bit further. Just lining those tick marks up. Again. Again. And again, all the way to our final destination, just down there. And then we're going to go back. So now we have our where we started and where we ended. And we go back the same process as measuring straight line. We go back down to our bar graph on our map. And we're going to use the kilometers, the top one. And we're just going to take, again, the nearest whole number. So in this case, looks like it's the 2. So 2,000 meters. So this is 1,000 meters. This is 2,000 meters. Now we're measuring these increments here. So this is 1,000, 2,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. We're just counting those decrements there. So this gets us to 2,500 meters, curved line distance.